So you want to know how to host a website, you have to go to hostinger.com and you have to create a new account like this. I'm going to do it with Google, but you can do it with email, phone number, Facebook, GitHub. So I'm going to make a cut here to not expose my email. Okay, so now that we are here, we have to go to export plans. And as you can see, we have a lot of plans here. We even have one for $2 and it's very accessible. So when you pick it, you can choose the month you want to have the host. For example, you have this for 48 months at $2 every month, so it's very cheap and you will have a website for 4 years, so imagine that. And that's the way you can host a website. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in the next video of Easy Way. Goodbye.